Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything asking for but you. Stop making a big deal out of the little things.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. On higher ground, my rocket love. Gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish your way, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around, around.
skincare routine. Tonight I'm going to use this Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. So this is it here, and I've really been enjoying this cleansing bar. It's supposed to be really good for dark spots, so that's my main motivation with this one. So I'm just gonna after cleaning and getting the house together. I love doing a nice little self-care on a Friday night. FYI, there's a cricket again. I don't know what's going on with these crickets, but there's another cricket, you guys. I don't know. At this point, I think there's like a family of crickets. I have no idea where they're living. We think they're in the boiler room, which the boiler room is actually behind this room, but we don't know where they are. I love that you just use this sponge for everything, to clean, to also dry your face. I love this little system. For my treatment tonight, I'm gonna use a little bit of tretinoin, just because. Let me just double check. Does this have AHA? I don't think so. Gonna use a little bit of this. I wasn't sure if I should make this video a complete voiceover or do some voiceover, some talking in real time, but what should I name her? I think she used to be named Kristen. Every Kristen in every show is always annoying, so Kristen. I want to do a little gua sha, but I do need to put an oil on first. This oil just makes the process better and easier for like my skin for friction, I guess. This is a very light oil. I'm gonna use the Victoria's Secret's Pure Seduction tonight. So we're gonna use this deodorant. So I'm gonna use my body spray from Victoria's Secret. This is Pure Seduction as well. I'm gonna do my foot cream while I wash this. So this is my cream that I'm using, the Heels one. Law and Order is definitely like a show that we always watch. Like when we don't know what to watch, we end up putting on Law and Order, special victims unit. I'm also gonna put this on my lips. This is the Summer Fridays lip balm. This is what I'm gonna use tonight.